Hello, I'm Darcy Zitska, the CEO of Actech Systems. Today we're talking about the IoT, or the Internet of Things as they call it, and the benefits of that to the manufacturing industry specifically and service industry. How does a manufacturer or distributor make a customer say, wow? Do a lot of things better than your competition, providing a superior product quality and simple and better return policy, quicker turnaround time on deliveries, design on the fly capabilities, and having a way to modify production to meet your customer needs will win new customers. Combining all these activities will actually enhance your business experience and set you apart from your competition. How will the Internet of Things, or the IoT, help a manufacturer? A manufacturer needs a system that connects all his business processes and all his data into one platform. This will go right from marketing to sales to the customer experience and the after-sales service. This is why Microsoft brought out templates for certain industries, and they call these templates Connected Marketing and Sales Integrated Systems for Dynamics CRM. Imagine a scenario where marketing picks up a social trend or a talked about topic and utilize that topic and create a product or campaign and immediately increase the company's footprint on certain product lines. Actech will use the Internet of Things, or the IoT, to build even better technologies with the latest tools for our customers to optimize their business.